Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Amazon Flex in Australia. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first step here, you need to make sure you meet the requirements. So you must be at least 20 years of age and hold a full unrestricted Australian driver's license. You can't be a P plater or an L plater. You must own a suitable vehicle such as sedan, station wagon, SUV, van, or ute with a covered tray. Also, you must possess an iPhone or an Android device to run the Amazon Flex app. And you also need to reside in a region where Amazon Flex operates. So if you're in the middle of nowhere, you might not be able to use or sign up for Amazon Flex. From here, you just simply download the Amazon Flex app via your Play or App Store, and then you need to create an account once you've downloaded the app. So sign in with your existing Amazon account, or you can simply just create a new one. From there, you need to provide necessary personal information, including your driver's license details, select your region and your vehicle type, and then you need to consent to do for a background check. And you can also set up direct deposit from here. So enter your bank account details within the app to facilitate payment transfers. From there, watch the provided training videos to understand delivery procedures and then familiar yourself with the app features and delivery expectations. From there, you can start delivering. So once your account is approved and onboarding process is complete, you can begin scheduling delivery blocks through the app.